Brian Meyer, Construction Project Manager with McClure, and we are in Oskaloosa, Iowa at the Southeast Connector Project. Phase 1 is currently under construction and involves grading of the new alignment between US 63 and Iowa 23 and paving the east third of the project. This new pavement will connect Iowa 23 and 267th Street. DeLong Construction is the prime contractor, and they started Phase 1 in June of 2025 and have finished the rough grading and storm sewer. Part of the storm sewer was the installation of a prefabricated 10 by 12 single barrel box culvert that will provide a crossing over the creek on the west side of the project. The major challenges of this project that we faced during construction have been the coordination between all the different stakeholders involved in the project, including Mahaska County, the city of Oskaloosa, the property owners, utilities, the railroad, the contractor, and various developers near the project. Something else that we faced was having a very wet summer. Got kind of uncharacteristically wet season during prime construction and building months. So the solution for the coordination was good old-fashioned communication and taking good notes. The solution for the rainy summer was good old-fashioned sunshine and waiting for dirt to dry. Despite all the rain and all the coordination that needed to take place, Phase 1 of the project is on schedule to finish in the spring of 2026, with Phase 2 and 3 of the project to follow. We estimate that Phase 3 of the project will finish construction in 2027. This project will bring a lot of economic opportunities to the south side of Oskaloosa, as well as providing a more direct route of travel for residents on that side of the city.